welcome to today's episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun. And in today's episode, I have a very important investment opportunity update that I'd like to share with you. So in today's episode, I will be showing you where you can invest your money even in high inflation economy, because there are some investment opportunities or investment vehicles that you can invest money irrespective of what the economy is saying. I mean, even if the economy is in recession, there are some portfolios that you can put your money into. So in this episode, I'll be showing you one of such investment vehicles, and I want you to please watch this video to the end because it's going to be an eye-opener for those of you that don't know about this investment opportunity. And that investment opportunity is federal government savings bond. What is federal government savings bond? I'll be going straight to my PC. I'll be showing you what federal government savings bond is all about and the minimum investment that you can put into this savings bond. So sit back as I show you how to do that. Now let's go to google.com. Once you get to google.com, just type FGN savings bond. FGN savings bond. This is the DMO website, which is Debt Management Office website. And then just go down because we are looking at Stanbic IBTC. So let's go to Stanbic IBTC and click on the June 2024 offer of the FGN savings bond is now open. Click on this link and it will take you to this website. Once you get to this website, the next thing that what you want to do is to quickly scan through or skip through. Look at about the FGN savings bond. It is an investment vehicle that allows investors lend funds to the federal government of Nigeria. The funds are used to execute projects, and in return, investors are paid quarterly interest. You see, every quarter you'll be getting interest from the federal government of Nigeria. The investment window opens for 4 or 5 working days once every month. So this month, for the month of June, I think it opened a few days ago and it will close on the 6th of July, on the 6th of June, sorry. But another one is going to open in the month of July. Yes, so watch out for that. Now let's look at who can invest. Individuals, including joint account holders. What I used to advise my coaching client is that you can buy this savings bond in your children's name. You understand? If you want to do long-term investment, but yeah, you can buy it in your own name. You can buy it in your business. You see, who can invest? Your businesses. If you have businesses, you can invest in your business name or corporate. Now, the benefit of this is that it's safe. The benefit is it is the safest form of investment in the Nigerian debt capital market, and as it is backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government, so your money is safe. The next benefit is transparent. The terms and returns on the investment are clearly stated on the monthly offer document. The next benefit is inclusive. The minimum investment sum is 5,000 naira, while the maximum investment amount is 50 million naira, making it accessible to everyone. Now look at that. It's something that you can be doing on a monthly basis if you have that capacity. But if you don't have the capacity, you can look for, like, let's say, it's on increase of 1,000 naira. You can do 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 naira, or you do like 50,000 naira, 100,000 or 200. If you have 500, if you have 1 million, 10 million, put it in this investment vehicle, and your money is safe. Because one thing about inflation is, no matter how much you are saving now, the purchasing power of whatever you save in the bank is dropping. So don't put your funds in the bank or in the savings account for now. Put your fund in an investment vehicle that you'll be getting returns on a quarterly basis. The returns on investment. Okay, this is the returns on investment. Below is the summary of the June 2024 offer. 2-year FGN savings bond is due by 12 June 2026. For these 2 years, it is 17.414% per annum. For 3-year FGN savings bond, it's going to due in June 12th of June 2027 at 18.4% per annum. And you see, one thing about this is that it's going to be paid quarterly. Issuer is Federal Government of Nigeria. Did you see that? And then unit of sales, 1,000 per unit, subject to the minimum subscription amount. The minimum subscription amount is 5,000 in multiples of 1,000. So that means the investor can invest 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 based on what you have. The maximum is 50 million naira, and interest is paid. Look at interest payment payable quarterly. If you want to do this, although this video is not being sponsored by anyone, not by the Federal Government of Nigeria, it is not being sponsored by Stanbic IBTC. I'm just doing this to help someone out there because I know what the economy is saying at the moment. So please look out for this opportunity on a monthly basis. But one of the things that happens about this FGN savings bond is that they don't usually announce it. So you are the one that is going to be on the lookout for this investment opportunity. So this is what I want to quickly share with you. So watch out if you still have the opportunity, because one of the requirements to invest in this investment vehicle is that you must have an account with Central Securities Clearing System, which is CSCS account. That is what is here. You need an account, and it has to be in line with your BVN, with your bank details and your BVN. So all these things are going to be required. So if you don't have a CSCS account, you can get in touch with your stock brokerage firm, or just go to Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers and talk to them, or you can even call them. I think they have a contact phone numbers here. Yes, you can send an email, contact us here, send an email to them, call them and make inquiry about this FGN savings bond. So thank you for watching today's episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun, and I promise to come your way with more informative, and not just informative content, but content that you can implement, things that you can implement, information that you can implement that will add value to your life. And that is one of the things we stand for on this podcast. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to beg you, please subscribe. If you also have any question, drop in the comment section. I'm going to reply your question. And if there's any business idea that you want me to talk about, or business opportunity, investment opportunity, drop it in the comment section and I will work out something for you. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.